Myself, Dr. D. Chandra Prakash, working as an associate professor in the Department of ECE. Today I will tell about electronics. Electronics is divided into analog electronics, digital electronics. Analog electronics means continuous wave signal. The sinusoidal signal is example of continuous signal. Whereas digital signal means particular intervals of time we can define digital signal, that is zeros and ones is example of digital electronics. I am dealing revision class today half adder. Half adder means it consists of 2 bits and 2 outputs. Okay, 2 inputs are, let us take x, y, and outputs are sum and carry. Sum and carry. Let us take the diagram of half adder. It consists of exclusive OR gate and AND gate. Let us take x, y is the inputs, and for a sum expression for exclusive OR gate is x exclusive y, and carry expression x into y. This is x bar y plus x y bar. This carry expression is product x into y. That's why we are taking AND gate. AND gate purpose is x into y, product form. This exclusive OR gate is sum purpose. Okay, let us take for 2 inputs I am taking. Okay, 2 inputs and 2 outputs. The meaning of half adder means it generates 2 inputs with the help of 2 inputs. It generates 2 outputs, that is sum and carry. Let us take, I am taking 2 inputs means 2 power n, 2 power 2, 2 inputs are 2 power 2 means 4 possible combinations. Okay, let us take, I am taking 2 inputs, 0 0 combination, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1, and outputs are sum and carry. Here 0 0 means sum expression is 0, 0 1 condition, the sum expression is 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 0. The sum expression I am taking exclusive symbol na, x exclusive y, and carry expression I am taking x into y. 0 0 means x into y means 0, 0 into 1 expression is 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 means 1. Let us take how to define this sum expression. If it is inputs are equal, then the output is here low. If any one odd number of inputs, the output is 1. Here odd number means different inputs, 0 and 1, 1 0. This is similar, dissimilar inputs. That's why output is 1. Coming to carry expression, we are taking AND gate na. If any one of the input is low, then the output is low. If all inputs are high, then the output is high. This is for carry expression. This is for simply half adder. Okay. Coming to full adder, we are taking 3 inputs, extra bit 3 inputs and 2 outputs. Okay. Let us take number is 3 inputs and 2 outputs. The extra third bit is carry input. Okay. Let us take x, y, ci means carry input, third input is ci. Okay, outputs are sum and carry. Full adder means meaning is 2 half adders plus 1 OR gate, 2 half adders and 1 OR gate. Let us, the diagram of full adder means x, y, this is 1 half adder and 1 more half adder. Full adder means 2 half adders. This is first half adder, second half adder. The output of exclusive first half adder, exclusive OR gate output is goes to second exclusive OR gate input. Second exclusive OR gate second input is carry I, that is third bit. X is first input, y is second input. The third input is here carry input. The Ci means carry input. And here carry means, let us half adder, one more second half adder means this is second half adder. How many half adders we are taking? First half adder, second half adder, the definition is 2 half adders, 1 OR gate. Second half adder output I am taking considered as sum expression, and the last this AND gate, and first half adder AND gate is output goes to OR gate. This is the carry expression for full adder. Okay. How many inputs are there in full adder? 3 inputs. Let us take 2 power n, 2 power 3 here. 3 means number of inputs is 3. 2 power 3 means 8. Okay. X, Y, Ci. X, Y, Ci. The Ci means carry input. Let us go for truth table. How many combination? 8 combination. 0, 0, 0. Next 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1. 2 power 3 means 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 combination. Okay. X, Y, the Ci, third bit is Ci, and sum expression, and let us take output or one more is carry expression. Carry expression. Here 0, 0, 0, sum expression is 0 and carry expression is also 0. Next 0, 0, 1, the sum expression is 1, carry expression is 0. Coming to 0, 1, 0, the sum expression is 1, carry expression is 0. Coming to 0, 1, 1 combination, the sum expression is 0 and carry expression is 1. Coming to 1, 0, 0, the sum expression is 0 and carry expression is 0. Coming to 1, 0, 1 combination, the sum expression is 0 and carry expression is 1. Coming to 1, 1, 0, the sum expression is 0 and carry expression is 1. All ones 1, 1, 1, 1 exclusive, 1. Okay, sum expression 1 and carry expression is 1. This is the full half adder truth table. Okay, by using we can design half adder and full adder with the help of logic gates. Okay, basic gates and logic gate, basic gates, universal gates, special gates. I am taking special gate. One is exclusive OR gate is the special gate. Okay, special gate, the exclusive OR gate we can take it as special features. Okay, sum expression we are taking sum expression, and gate is carry expression. That's all today class. We will discuss next class.